For almost 8 years, Huagui Mosaic has been proudly making the beautiful glass tile and mosaic tile right here in Foshan, China. We are committed to crafting the glass tile and mosaic tile that are made in China, and to working with our employees to develop a sustainable and enjoyable working environment. The factory buildings cover total area of 6,000 square meters. The whole production process from design to pack is completed in-house under strict quality guidelines. Our dedicated staff, advanced production facilities, and efficient management give us strong support to ensure the quality and competitive price products for our customers, and prompt delivery is also guaranteed. Every year, we develop more than 100 new designs of glass tile and mosaic tiles, and we have 2 certificates of product patent so far. Huagui Mosaic is taking significant long-term action to ensure that we have a minimal effect on the environment both pre- and post-production. The organic waste gas purifier machine used for treating organic waste gases generated by printing and drying process. Environment-friendly is our mission. We proudly served international market for 7 years. Made on demand. We never run out of stock and colors are always current. Order 1 or thousands. We can make whatever you want when you need it. We strive to give you a happy, unique experience when working with us. We would love for you to visit Huagui Mosaic and see for yourself what we do. Just call to set up a tour.